I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch from Movistar to Orange and want to keep your existing phone number, follow these steps. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that a Movistar account is active and not under any contract obligations. If you have outstanding payments or are still in a contract, you may need to resolve those first. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all the required information for the porting process. This typically includes your Movistar phone number, account number, and personal identification. Having these ready will streamline the process. Step 3. Visit an Orange store or website. Go to your nearest Orange store or visit their official website. If you choose to go online, look for the section dedicated to number porting. You may need to fill out a form with your details. Step 4. Submit your porting request. Once you have filled out the necessary forms, submit your request. Orange will contact Movistar to initiate the porting process. This can take a few hours to a couple of days, so be patient. Step 5. Confirm porting completion. After a few hours, check if your number has successfully transferred to Orange. You may receive a notification from Orange confirming the completion. If there are issues, contact customer support for assistance. Switching providers can feel daunting, but following these steps should make it a smooth process. Good luck with your new Orange service.